Some money rules you should be following now in 2021. Hello and welcome back to Front Seat Finance channel. Today's video is about the money rules you should be following now in 2021. But before we start with our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Also, to keep yourself updated, hit the bell icon so that you never miss out. So, let's dive right into the video. We have some simple rules that you should start following as soon as possible, as money is important to make your dreams and desires become a reality. You must know how to acquire it, how to maintain it, and how to grow it. The first rule we have: save money accurately. It is the most simple and obvious rule. You should pay to yourself before paying it to others. Suppose we buy an iPhone, then we pay the money to the Apple company, isn't it? This way we are not keeping the money with ourselves but are giving it away. To keep the money to yourself, you will have to save it as much as you can for yourself. You want to use as much of your income as possible to add to your net worth. You can lower down your leisurely pleasures to save even more than you could for your future. Second, we have is to invest your savings. Investments are again the best way to increase your income level. You work hard daily for several hours to earn money, but you still can't build a lot of wealth so early, right? Investment is the best option to do so. The money which you have saved for your future, you can invest in shares or mutual funds, bonds, real estate, and banks, and can also buy gold out of it, as the value of gold keeps on increasing with time. When you buy assets, these assets grow in value while you sleep with no additional time or effort. That means the investment in gold will be very beneficial for you or your future. The third and most important one is that you should ensure your future income. In simple language, we can say retirement planning. You can't work forever. There will be a time when you will get old and won't be able to work to earn money. And that's why you need to plan your retirement income. Retirements and tax-free saving accounts are great things to leverage here. Use every advantage to build your wealth, like retirement, but you have to guard the treasures against loss to avoid risky investments. And this is our fourth important rule. You can invest your money anywhere, as there are many different options for that, but you will have to keep in mind to avoid the risk in investments. Warren Buffett once shared his 2 rules for money. The first rule is never lose money. And the second one, never forget rule number 1. This is the best knowledge anyone could ever give you regarding your money. Imagine the hard work you put into to earn money just went down the toilet. It's terrible. Do thorough research before you do any kind of investment. All investments come with some form of risk attached to them, but you will have to see an investment with lower risks than any other with many risks. And most importantly, always research before buying any kind of asset. If something sounds too good to be true, then it probably is, as it makes sure that the risk justifies the potential reward and that those rewards are based on reality. You can take a few risks to get bigger rewards. The barbell strategy could be the best one. Balance your portfolio and diversify. The fifth basic rule is to control your unnecessary expenditures. Don't spend more than you need. Saving your money comes with not spending your money unnecessarily. This is essentially learning to live within your means and to avoid lifestyle creep. Doing this is not as difficult as you might think. It is very natural to spend more when your income level rises, and we just can't deny the fact. But this is an urge you must resist if you want to grow your wealth. Suppose you went on a vacation abroad, but then you again decided to go on a vacation in the same year. Does it make any sense? I think you can avoid that vacation and use that money either to invest or to save it. You can also use that money to buy something important. You will have to resist yourself. Many lawyers, bankers, and surgeons living in New York City have a negative net worth, all because they couldn't resist the urge to upgrade their lifestyle constantly. And to not become like them, you'll have to follow these rules now. With this, we come to the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.